Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Hello everyone, thanks for joining us again. Today we making rum balls. I came across in my old book the recipe, and I checked a few videos out on YouTube, and I was wondering, why is everyone using biscuits? There is no biscuits in rum balls. It's a very simple recipe, equal amount of grated chocolate, icing sugar, nuts, I use almond meal, and 1 egg white, and a decent shot of rum. Now in Australia we have got the Bundy. Of course, if you're in Austria or in Germany, go for some Strohrum. Nice 75% and very nice in flavor. But for us, this is not bad either. Also, before I forget, we also need some chocolate sprinkles to roll the rum balls in. So what I've done is I used 1 block of dark chocolate, again 70% of cocoa, so it's not too sweet. So now I put it on the thin side of the grater. Please make sure when you do it, cover the chocolate with the wrapper of the chocolate, so your skin won't warm up the chocolate and you make a big mess of it. Just keep it in the wrapper and keep sort of shredding it. All right? We're going to use this plate afterwards, put the sprinkles on. All right? Now so just put it in the bowl. We can mix up by hand, but we've got the machine, so we might as well use it. Okay, so we put everything in there. Everything, not half the sugar. Okay. The 1 egg white. I'm sure at Christmas you always got some egg whites left from some of the other recipes. And the chocolate. And a decent shot of rum. Now, if you don't like rum, or you're making them for somebody who doesn't have alcohol, for kids or something, just use some rum essence. You know, it's just the flavor in there, no alcohol, or hardly any alcohol. Then we're putting it on one, and we're just letting it run. And that's it. And the rum balls are ready. Ah, you should smell that. Whoa! As you can see, easy, beautiful consistency. So now what we do, we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. So the liquid from the rum and the almond, everything gets absorbed, and the liquid or the mixture is firming up a bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's a very small mix, but that's enough for us. As I always say, we've got so many. So basically use chocolate. It's up to you how big you like them. You know, I think should be 1 bite or maximum 2. So roll them in straight away in the chocolate, or you can do them all first and then roll them in the chocolate and then place them on there. And that's it. Now you can just refrigerate them and they're ready. They're ready for Christmas. Now, important part, please do not melt the chocolate. I know the grating of the chocolate is a bit of a pain, but the reward is so much greater. If you shred it or grate your chocolate, they're light on the inside. They're absolutely delicious. Okay, so the recipe made 12 balls. A little tip, roll them first all, and then roll them into the chocolate 1 by 1. So you've got enough room to nicely roll them, but don't they look good? So now they go in the fridge for them to set a bit more. I mean, you can eat them like they are, but they're a bit soft now because they're just freshly made. When you serve them, just dust them with icing sugar. Dust them a little bit with icing, just a tiny bit, because it makes it really like Christmassy. You don't have to because you've got other biscuits next to it which have got white in it, but that's my rum balls or Rumkugeln auf Deutsch. So as always, please like, subscribe and follow us. Keep notifications on, share with your friends, and please have a go. Try it. They're very easy to make and they're so much nicer. You can, you can put lots of rum in, you can put not much rum in. So you can regulate the way you want it, and also you use real chocolate. The ones you buy, you never know what they put in there. And they're not too sweet. Yeah? Okay? I see you soon at Gunter's Kitchen on YouTube. Bye for now.